So the journey has officially begun on the Malacca Lake Trail. It's a 8.5 mile round trip. Should be pretty fun. I am so deep right now. This is crazy. There's no trail anymore. I'm just like climbing up this waterfall over here. Can't see it because of the trees, but it's massive. And I'm just climbing up this I don't even know what to call it. Massive hill, mountain, I don't know. But it's tough. Ooh, it's tough, slippery, and kind of scary because it's really steep and there's no trail. So I'm trailblazing to get to the top of this waterfall. So I made it to the top of the waterfall. It was tough. No trail. Had to trailblaze myself. But I'm here. It was kind of scary getting over here because it was just a giant field of snow on a steep hill. I'll show you guys. You know, if I slip down that, then that'd be dunzos for Tyler. So happy that didn't happen. And yeah, this is a great place. Awesome, awesome view. Great environment. Super cool. There's butterflies everywhere. Hanging out with some nature. Feels good. Woo! I'm tired though. That was a pretty big hike. And the cool thing is, this isn't even what I planned to go to. I planned on going to a lake in the middle of the mountains, and I ended up coming here on accident. But this is badass, so I'm happy I ended up here instead. I just carried my new drone up to the very top of this waterfall, expecting to get awesome shots, amazing views, and some really cinematic shots of this waterfall. And I forgot one thing. The iPhone cable that connects my iPad to my controller. There's always something, man. Always something wrong. God, I've never been this mad. Or I have been, but like, I'm really mad right now. Really mad. I mean, look at all this. I could have shot all of this stuff. There's so much. I'm in the middle of the mountains. Look at that, up there. Oh, man. What a disappointment, you know? What a disappointment. Wow. Hey, at least I'm in a cool area though. That's all that really matters. I'm in a cool spot to be mad, so. Just fell straight through the snow floor and racked my nuts right there. Left leg, right leg, genitals. Look at how thin this sheet of snow is though. That is not safe. Have I been walking on that the whole time? Damn.